Day 8 script, full video 15 idioms. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel English Abayadav. If you love learning English in a simple, natural, and practical way, this channel is perfect for you. Here, we don't use heavy grammar. We don't use book language. We use real-life English. The kind you hear in movies, conversations, and daily situations. Today is day 8, and today's idioms are again fresh, useful, and very common in everyday English. So listen carefully, imagine the situation, and feel the example. Now let's start today's idioms. Idiom 1. Think straight. Explain. This idiom means to think clearly. Example. He was stressed. He couldn't think straight. Idiom 2. Keep in mind. Explain. This idiom means to remember something. Example. He told her to keep in mind the deadline. Idiom 3. Take the lead. Explain. This idiom means to be in control or guide others. Example. No one knew what to do, so she took the lead. Idiom 4. Bend the rules. Explain. This idiom means to change rules a little. Example. It was late. The teacher bent the rules and allowed them in. Idiom 5. Stay on track. Explain. This idiom means to continue in the right direction. Example. He checked his plan to stay on track. Idiom 6. Out of questions. Explain. This idiom means everything is clear. Example. He asked many questions. Now he was out of questions. Idiom 7. Off the hook. Explain. This idiom means free from trouble. Example. The mistake was small. The boss let him off the hook. Idiom 8. Go for it. Explain. This idiom means to try without fear. Example. He wanted to apply for the job. His friend told him to go for it. Idiom 9. Have second thoughts. Explain. This idiom means to doubt or rethink. Example. He paid for the ticket. Then he had second thoughts. Idiom 10. Pull it off. Explain. This idiom means to do something successfully. Example. The task was hard, but he pulled it off. Idiom 11. Make sense. Explain. This idiom means something is reasonable or understandable. Example. After explanation, the plan made sense. Idiom 12. Go the hard way. Explain. This idiom means to choose the difficult method. Example. He could ask for help, but he went the hard way. Idiom 13. On the bright side. Explain. This idiom means to focus on the positive part. Example. He missed the bus, but on the bright side, he walked and felt fresh. Idiom 14. Get the point. Explain. This idiom means to understand the real meaning. Example. He explained twice. Finally, she got the point. Idiom 15. Bring it up. Explain. This idiom means to talk about a topic. Example. The meeting was ending. If you liked today's idioms, don't just learn them. Use them in real life. Because when you use English, your confidence grows. And when confidence grows, English becomes easy. This is day 8, and we are still learning every day. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to English Abayadav, because tomorrow again, new English, simple English, real English. Learn daily, practice daily, and speak without fear.